Hi cuties! Finally, meron ng Domino's Pizza dito sa Tagaytay at dito lang to sa Ayala Mall sa Rin. Nung nagpunta ako, kaka-open lang nila and ang dami nilang binigay na freebies and giveaways. We'll discuss that later but for now, tikman muna natin ang pizza nila. Since matagal na din akong di nakapag-Domino's. Nung October lang kasi sila nag-open dito sa Tagaytay. Maraming flavors na pagpipilian dito from classic like Hawaiian, ham and cheese, pepperoni to finest and specialty pizzas. From the finest pizza, we got their best-selling family-sized spinach and feta pizza. And sa specialty naman, we tried the American Bacon Cheeseburger Pizza. Unahin muna natin tong spinach and feta which is topped with 4 premium na cheese. Feta, mozzarella, Havarti, and parmesan and drizzled with their special white sauce. I love the balance between the cheese and spinach, not overwhelming at hindi nakakaumay. Ang sarap nito and since may iba-ibang cheese, bukod sa pagiging crumbly ng feta, may iba-ibang texture siya. Ito namang American Bacon Cheeseburger, true to its name, pizza na lasang burger. May ketchup, mozzarella, beef, bacon, tomatoes, and more. Super meaty and filling. By the way, hand tossed to but may option din for thin crust. What I love about their crust is ang sarap niya na kahit yung pinakadulo pwedeng kainin. And best of all, hindi siya greasy. These two is only for 919 pesos since may double deal ang Domino's na any 2 pizza flavors, 919 pesos lang for family size. Of course, pwede ka din mag-add-on ng mga sides like wings, pasta, and more. Pero na-curious kami sa Cinnabites with dip from the dessert. Good for 2 na to, 129 pesos lang. Ayos to, bite-size cinnamon rolls. Ang sarap din and marami-rami. Actually, napakarami pang options sa menu but we'll try that next time. Kung taga dito ka din sa Tagaytay or nearby o kaya naman dadayo kayo dito, make sure to stop by. Don't worry if hindi naman kayo makapunta dito. Available din naman sila for delivery sa GrabFood and Foodpanda or you could order at their site or the Domino's app. Thanks for watching cutie. Follow me for more recos. Bye!